In this video, you'll learn how to advertise a job on Indeed so it gets in front of more qualified candidates faster. We'll take a simple job listing and turn it into a sponsored job, which helps it show up more prominently in search results. I'll walk you through each step, explain what's happening on screen, and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident about what you're doing. Let's start from your Indeed employer account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your employer dashboard. This is the main hub where all your job postings live. Take a moment to look for the job you want to promote. It might be listed under active jobs, open roles, or something similar depending on how many postings you have. When you find the listing you want to advertise, click on it to open the job details page. This is what we mean by opening your job listing in the employer dashboard. Here, you can usually see information like the job title, location, how many people have viewed the posting, and how many applications you've received so far. It's a good idea to quickly review this information before you spend money on promotion. Make sure the job title is clear, the description is accurate, and the requirements make sense, because the more accurate and appealing your posting is, the better your results will be once you start advertising. Now that your job listing is open, look for the option to boost its visibility. Depending on your version of the dashboard, you'll see a button or link that says something like sponsor job or promote job. Go ahead and select that. This is the key action that tells Indeed you want to turn this regular or organic job post into a paid advertisement. Once you've chosen to sponsor or promote the job, you'll be taken to a screen where you can set your budget. This is where you decide how much you're willing to spend to advertise the role. Typically, Indeed uses a pay-per-click or similar model, meaning you're paying to get more visibility and more clicks from job seekers. On this screen, you can usually choose a daily budget, a total budget, or follow Indeed's suggested amounts based on how competitive your job category and location are. Take a moment to think about your hiring urgency and the importance of the role. If you need to fill the position quickly, a higher budget might make sense because it can help your job appear more often and in more prominent spots. If you're just testing the waters or hiring for a less urgent role, you can start with a smaller budget and adjust later. Remember, you're not locking yourself in forever. You can typically change or pause your budget from the dashboard if you need to. After you've set a budget that feels right for you, it's time to confirm everything. Review the summary of your promotion, check that the correct job is selected, your budget is accurate, and any duration settings look good. When you're ready, click to confirm and start promoting the job. Once you confirm, your job becomes a sponsored or promoted listing, meaning it has the potential to appear higher in search results and be seen by more job seekers. From your employer dashboard, you can return at any time to monitor performance, see how many clicks and applications you're getting, and adjust your budget if needed. And that's it. You've successfully advertised a job on Indeed by opening your listing in the employer dashboard, selecting the sponsor or promote option, setting your budget, and confirming to start the promotion.